Come and visit the family. Words are made of letter people. A, B, C, D, follow me.
The letter people. Today, double cooperation and the ing sound.
See the Catching Game with Monty Swell. Weekdays right here on DDT, serving all of Letter People Land. Now, stay tuned for Frantic Freddy's rocking, hopping dancing party coming up next. But first, this word about Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are
And
one of
she
Letter People
lived
Land's
happily
finest
ever
vegetables
after.
and good for you. Brussels
What
sprouts
a
with
beautiful ending to a
with
beautiful
pork chops, mashed
story.
potatoes, gravy,
Cinderella.
anything
What
you
a
want.
lucky
So
girl.
remember, if your mom puts Brussels sprouts on the table in front of you,
I wonder what it would be like to go dancing in glass slippers.
hey, hello, guys and dolls, moms and dads, cats and
Dogs! It's the swinging, singing Frantic Freddy's rocking, hopping, dancing party! And now, straight from the studios of DDT, flying high on Cloud 9, the swingin'est DJ in all the land, out of space, out of mind, and how we wish, out of sight. Here he is, that rambling rack of the record rack, Frantic Freddy!
Thank you, Tom Fargo! Hey, kids, what's happening?
Freddy's happening!
That's right! And today, on Frantic Freddy's Rocking, Hopping, Dancing Party, we are introducing a whole new sound to Letter People Land. And what is that sound?
The ing sound!
All right! The ing sound! That tingling sensation that's sweeping the nation! Ing! How sweet it is! So, keep listening, all my happy hoofers out there, and if you get a chance, slip on your dancing slippers and come on down, 'cause we're going to be jumping!
Oh, I would so like to come down, Frantic Freddy. But my wicked sisters have locked me in my room, and there's no way out except maybe jumping out the window. But that won't work. I'm on the second floor. If I jumped out, I'd break my mop. Oh, and I so wanted to dance to your new ing sound.
Cindy, are you mopping the floor as I told you to?
Yes, big sister, I'm mopping.
We want this place cleaned and shiny by the time we get back from Frantic Freddy's TV show.
Frantic Freddy's? Oh, it's just not fair. Why should I have to do all the cleaning around here while they get to go dancing? They dirty this place as much as I do. Oh, what am I going to do?
Okay, kids, just another hit flavor from the musical kitchen. The Hitchhikers and Does Your Chewing Gum Lose Its Flavor after being run over by a dump truck? Now, sit tight and don't fight, because we'll be back in a flash after this word from the record rack. And what word is the word?
Digging!
I like your style! Hi kids, this is Frantic Freddy here to tell you what's happening with the new ing sound that's sweeping through Letter People Land. Ing. Ah. Music to my ears, and it can be music to your ears also if you use it right. Dig? Now dig's a cool word, but you never hear Frantic Freddy say, I am dig it, no siree. You hear him say, I am digging it. Digging. You hear the ing sound? It comes at the end of the word. Listen. Digging. Cool. Now, you can be just as cool as Freddy and use the ing sound if you follow these simple rules. Take any short vowel word like dig and double the cooperation. Why double the cooperation? Good question. Ing, see, comes only at the end of words. Isn't that heavy? Say, speaking of heavy, the letter girls told me that ing is heavy at the end of the word when the weak short vowel sound is heard. So they thought of double cooperation, an extra consonant to help hold those short vowel sound words together, so the words won't sag like a wet bag and be a drag. Oh, wow. So add an extra G to dig, attach ing, and you got yourself a cool word. Digging. Double cooperation. Double fantastic. So stay cool whether you're sitting, swimming, napping, jogging, or just plain digging it. Now, let's get back to the dance floor and stay tuned for more cool ways of using the new ing sound. Let's go to the house. Let's go to the... Okay, we're back at the rack and ready to wreck the deck with a brand new tune from the Enemies called I Wanna Be Your Friend.
Friend?
Friend.
Hail Silver!
Now that's a friend. Another runaway word. Running away. Oh, well, running is good for you. I just have to go to Frantic Freddy's dance. But how can I go when I'm locked in my room? Oh, stars, I am wishing. Oh, me.
Hello there, sad person.
Who are you?
I'm Mr. S., the flying champion of Letter People Land. I heard you singing your sad-sounding song and came to see why you were sighing.
And you flew to my window?
Not really. You see, I have trouble flying into windows not knowing whether they're open or not. So instead, I climbed your ladder.
But I don't have a ladder.
You don't? Darn my socks.
Mr. S.,
Don't worry. They don't call me Super Socks for nothing.
oh, Mr. S., I want to go dancing at Frantic Freddy's rocking, hopping dancing party. But my wicked sisters left, locking me in my room. What am I going to do?
You're going to go dancing.
How?
No problem. I'll fly you to Frantic Freddy's.
You will? Oh, thank you.
Hold on to my super socks. We're going to the hop.
Where is that rabbit? Presto, a rabbit. Hop. Oh, where is that rabbit? Double cooperation.
Okay, dancers and prancers, Donners and Dixons. We are ready for the unveiling of the top 5 cool, ing-sounding records in Letter People Land this week. In the number 5 position, a big hit on the charts this week. Yes, it's a hit. It's hitting with its double cooperation, double T.
Hit. Hitting.
In the number 4 slot, a tune to make your toes tap, it's tapping with its double cooperation, double P. Love that sound.
Tap. Tapping.
Number 3 will really keep everybody bopping, and that's it. Bopping with its double cooperation, double P.
Bop. Bopping.
And second on the top 5 ing soundboard by the new hit group, the Tired Beat, jumping with its ho ho ho. Look closely, kids, and see just why this sound was chosen for number 2. jump already has double cooperation built into the word. MP. It's not necessary to add anything, just the ing sound. So, remember, whenever a word already has double cooperation and you want to make it cool, just add the ing sound. And now, the #1 song in Letter People Land this week, The Ing Sound by Ms. E. And here to sing their big hit is the grooviest group around, the Letter Girls.
We can tap, tap, tap like a woodpecker in a tree. But we add an extra P, yes, we add an extra P when we're tapping. We can cut, cut, cut like a scissors cutting through a seam. But we need another T, yes, we need another T when we're cutting. When ING joins the rest of us, and just so it won't make the best of us, we'll add another letter the same as the letter that follows our name. Another P for tap, and we're tapping. Another T for cut, and we're cutting. We can still play the ING game, and our short sounds will remain the same. We can tap, tap, tap like a woodpecker in a tree. We can cut, cut, cut like a scissors cutting through a seam. We can tap, tap, tap like a woodpecker in a tree. We can cut, cut, cut like a scissors cutting through a seam. We can tap, tap, tap like a woodpecker in a tree. We can cut, cut, cut like a scissors cutting through a seam.
All right. Oh, Letter Girls, you made my heart go tap, 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 like a woodpecker in a tree. And now, hey kids, what time is it?
It's stomping, bopping time, Freddy!
So, wind up your feet and get out of your seat. The contest begins for those who love to spin. Here's a blast from the past. The mirrors and seeing you reminds me of me.
Mr. S, we arrived just in time. Let's dance.
But I've never danced before.
It's as easy as washing your socks. Just follow me.
This is super, Cindy. Do you think we have a chance to win the contest?
Don't worry, friend, because believe it or not, Bobby socks,
That's super socks.
well, then just get a whiff of this. You and Cindy have won the stomping contest! And we have to go because there's no more time to blow. This is Frantic Freddy, the rambling wreck of the record rack, saying keep swinging. See ya, kids!
See ya, Freddy!
Come and meet the letter people. Come and visit the family. Words are made of letter people. A, B, C, D, follow me.